Hello class, welcome to CGS 2821 Introduction to Website Design video tutorial on Lesson 8. In this Lesson 8, we will learn how to publish a website. So in the previous Lesson 7, we have created a website, so it's time to publish it. To publish a website, we will need an app. So in this lesson, we will learn how to use Filezilla. So please download Filezilla from its official website. Click on it and download. So if you haven't downloaded, please download Filezilla and download the specific platform that you have. If you have macOS, download the macOS version, and if you have Windows, you can use Windows platform. Now, let's save it. Filezilla is a file transfer protocol where we can transfer our project files to the web hosting. And the web hosting that we will use in this lesson is Torch. So Torch is web service provided by College of Communication and Information for the students. So you can use your student's ID to log in and upload your website project. It also provides a service for database. So for this class, we will only use the hosting service. And how to access Torch is already on its website. It's very easy. So to access Torch, you will only have to do three main steps. First, once you have Filezilla, CyberDuck, or Transmit, you can enter the details of the user and then upload your website and view your site. Once you have finished download Filezilla, so it's time to install it. So if you have macOS, you can just drag drop to application. If you have Windows version, basically you just follow the steps, click setup, and then next until finish. So once you have installed the Filezilla, let's fire it up. Let's open it. So this is the interface of Filezilla. First, you have to fill the host, username, password, and port. Is already explained in the Torch website. So for server name, you can use torch.cci.fsu.edu. Copy to Filezilla here. Copy and paste. And for username, you can use your FSU ID. So in this, I will use mine. And then for password, you use your FSU password, so you don't have to create a new username. And for port, you can enter 22. Once you have the information filled, you can just click Quick Connect, and then trust this host and carry on connecting. Click OK. Now it says that the directory listing is successful. So you have to remember where you put your project files. So in macOS, there are several folders. I put it in my account name. Usually it asks for permission. Just click OK. So here I put my website here, CGS 2821, and in here it consists all of the projects. So the left side here is, we call it local host. localhost or your computer. This directory is not online, so it's in your computer. And on the right side here is the folders or the hosting directory. So basically you want to copy your projects to the hosting. You will need to upload your project files in the public.html. So what you do is just drag drop your project files, your project folder to public.html. So you just drag and then drop it in public_html, and it will start copy the files. Wait until finish. So once you successfully upload your project files to Torch web hosting, you will see the status on the bottom where it shows successful transfers. After that, you can check, you can double click on public_html to check if the folders are successfully uploaded. So make sure you have matching folders. So here in my machine, in my local machine, I have folder CGS 2821, and then it also in here I also have CGS 2821, and inside the CGS 2821 there are project folders. So project 03, project 04, 06, and then make sure it is similar, it's the same. So this is to make sure that your files has successfully transferred or uploaded to Torch web hosting. And then the next step, so this is, we already did the first step and we already uploaded our web projects, and now the third step. So to open your web project, you can type torch.cci.fsu.edu/ and don't forget the tilde sign, your FSU ID. So here I copy the address, I open the new tab, here torch.cci.fsu.edu, and then /tilde sign, and then my FSU ID. So here when we click enter, and it shows welcome to Torch. So it is a welcome page. Okay, so we have CGS folder, CGS 2021. So folders in web is represented with /. So inside our Filezilla we have this is my username, this is basically my hosting, and then since I put the folder of CGS 2021, so we can add another address /CGS 2821/. So this is our web project. So if you want to go to project 7, you can add /. Remember, folder in web address is represented with /. So in my web hosting, in my Filezilla, under my CGS 2021, I have project 07. So here, project 07. So if you want to go to project 7, you add /project 07. Just click enter, and it will open your project 7. So make sure everything uploaded correctly. And for this assignment, for lesson 8 assignment, you just copy the address to your canvas. Thank you very much for watching. I can't wait to see your web projects.